Hello, my name is Nicola. I'm 31 years old. I study at HRC Culinary Academy because I think this is the best option in Bulgaria for me. I want to be close to my family, friends. That's why I have chosen HRC. The atmosphere here is international. We have students from all over the world, from India, from Germany, from Spain. Why did I choose to become a chef? Because I have tried a lot of things in my life, but I felt with my heart, with my full body, that this is the perfect job, the perfect position for me. My professional dream is to become a chef, not only a chef, but head chef, and to work with a lot of people because I have passion working with people. So my internship was really exciting, really interesting because I was in Germany, really cool place, Hotel Stadt Hamburg. This is near Denmark and I met really interesting people there. The atmosphere was really good. The most important thing that I learned in Germany is that I have to be patient. I have to listen to people, what they are talking to me. The three things that I'm gonna say to my friends if I have the chance to recommend HRC for them is that this is the place where they can learn a lot about people from really good chefs here. The second thing is that they have the opportunity to meet another people from other nationalities. And the third thing is that you improve yourself. In HRC, we have the opportunity to work in one of the best restaurants for students. It's called Talents. We work with really incredible chefs. You learn a lot from them, and every time you ask something, they can help you. How can you cook it? How can you add ingredients and something like that. If you want to learn something new, to improve yourself and to meet really interesting people, join HRC Culinary Academy because you have the opportunity to learn from the best here.